What's up, crypto people? This is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. And today's video, I'll give you 5 cryptocurrency that it's about to explode. So stick around. So today is October 19, 2021 and we are on Grid. And CoinGecko today, right now the crypto market is on sideways right now, like Bitcoin 0.3%, Ethereum not much doing out today, it's just doing sideways. Shiba is 2.1% up and Doge is 5.3% down. Not much today. Avalanche is 2.6% up. Cosmos 5%. We have Phantom 6%. We have OKB 15.6%. Not much today, guys. Not much. We do have OHM, which is 14.1% up. So these are the top gainers of the day. We do have OKB, OHM, Phantom, Kusama, Cosmos, Harmony, HT, Avalanche. And we have the top gainers of the week. We have Zcash, Polygon, Polkadot, BNB, STX, OKB, HNT, GRT, and Kusama. And our top losers of the week, we have Flow, OHM, Spell, Bitcoin Cash, IOTA, DYDX, Filecoin, AR, eCash. And our crypto bubbles today looks good. There's Flow, HEX, Bitcoin Cash, and mostly are green. We have the ZEC, KCS, XLM, OKB, Bitcoin is 11% up, XTX, FTT, GRT, BNB is 15.5% up, XYM, Harmony 1, and AMP is 5.8% up. Looks good, guys. And before we go to the chart, if you can smash that like, that will be appreciated. It helps the algorithm so that other people can watch the videos. So my first pick is Kote. We have a cup and handle here, and we have already break to the upside. And on the 4-hour chart, we do have this ABC correction, and we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are currently on a bullish pennant, and we have this A, B, C, D, E. It's already on the E, and I'm expecting the price will pop up on this bullish pennant, and our target would be the top of the pennant. Polygon Matic, we have this beautiful triangle here, A, B, C, D, E. So we're expecting the price to go somewhere here at $22 before it takes off, and our target would be the all-time high, which is $2.89. And Solana, we are on this bullish flag here. We already touched the 0.618, and currently we do have another bullish flag here. So our initial target will be the all-time high, which is 220. Cardano is also on bullish flag, but right now it's just doing sideways right now. So our initial target will be the top of the flagpole, which I say $3.15. AVAX, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we do have this, the wave 4 overlap the wave 1. This is technically incorrect, but this one is a bullish flag. So our target would be the top of the flag, which is $80. Moon River, it's on a bullish flag. I see this ABC correction right now. And we are looking for, this would be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. So 3 more waves to the upside. We might still see the price at 0.618. And we go to the moon, guys. And Chainlink, we do have already ABC correction. So I'm looking for, and we do have now this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm looking 3 more waves to the upside. So let's see, our initial target would be the top of the, probably this is the all-time high, which is $54. But right now it's currently on a beautiful bullish flag, and it already bounced back at 0.618. And anytime soon, I'm expecting the price will pop up. So our initial target would be somewhere at $53, $54. So I'm looking for 3 more waves to the upside. But everything, guys, it will depend on Bitcoin. But Bitcoin looks great right now. We are still on this megaphone pattern, but it already broke though. Looks like we don't need this megaphone pattern here anymore. We have this count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do have the ABC correction, and we do have this first leg. I'm still expecting the wave to pull back, so I don't know, maybe this one here, like a double top here, and we'll see a pullback and 3 more waves to the upside. And Ethereum, I see we do have already the ABC correction, and we are now looking for 5 waves to the upside, and our initial target would be the all-time high, which is 4,335. Bitcoin dominance, we do have this cup and handle. I was expecting the price will go down, but keep on going up. So Bitcoin dominance, what it does is if the price of Bitcoin dominance drop, it means altcoin season, guys. But looks like it bounced back here at 0.786. See if the price will go down now. And the crypto index, we do have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do have the ABC correction, and now we're looking for 5 waves to the upside. We have 1, 2, possibly 3. I don't know yet. This is just a presumption, and anyway, we're expecting 5 waves to the upside. And this is the total tree excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we do have this cap and handle, and we're expecting the price to go up, but right now it's doing sideways here. Yeah. So guys, this is all I got. And if you find this video valuable, smash that like, share to your friends, subscribe the channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss my daily updates. Tomorrow I'll do have a few more picks. So trade safe. I love you. Take care. Bye bye.